Welcome to the greenapi channel. In this video, you have learned how to run WhatsApp Python chatbot library and write your own helper reference bot. In the last video, we broke down the process of preparing the environment, installing the Python interpreter, installing the bot library, and running a simple example. Now we will try to refine the bot, create several pages, and make transitions between them. Before launching, it is worth re-entering the command python mpip install whatsapp-chatbot-python. This is necessary to download updates that may appear to support and optimize the chatbot. If updates are available, they will be automatically downloaded and installed for the existing library. Let's create the first command for the bot, /start, and automate its response. To do this, let's configure the incoming message handler at bot.router.message. Let's enter the variable command of the incoming message text message. It will activate the bot. Let's assign it the value of the words commands start, and start. When the bot receives these words in the chat, it will automatically respond with messages, which we will program further. Inside, we will create a function startMessageHandler. Let's subscribe to it to notify about the incoming message with the start command. And in response to the user's message, the bot will send the strings we will write inside the function in notification answer. These 4 items will become the pages of our bot. By navigating through them, the user will get reference information about the greenapi service. Now we can test the bot and run it. To do this, click on the triangle icon or right-click and find the Run Code item. The keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-N will work similarly. The line running Python U and the path to the chatbot location will appear in the terminal. This means that the bot is running. Let's write a /start message in WhatsApp to the number that is connected to the bot. The bot will automatically reply with the message. To stop the bot, press the red square or the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-M. Similarly, let's create a function to go to the first page with reference information about the service About greenapi. Inside the new function, the handler will check if the bot gets the message 1 or About greenapi. Then it will call the About greenapi handler function to go to the first menu item. And, as with the previous function, let's create a response to the incoming message via notification answer. Additionally, let's remove the preview using the link preview equals false parameter. This will remove the description of the link content and the picture that WhatsApp automatically adds when you send a link in a message. N is a character that allows you to move the text in the message to a new line. Just like in the previous case, let's create a How to Send Message Handler response function to the menu item with the How to Send a Message help information. And let's create a How to Send Files handler function with the help information of how to send a file in response to the number 3 on the bot message. Each time the bot runs, it checks the instance configuration, removes old incoming notifications from the queue, and starts watching for new incoming notifications. Let's run our build again via the triangle icon. The bot checks the data from the received message against the command or start filter. Let's explain the functioning of the bot using the example of the third page of the How to Send Files menu. The bot checks what has been sent to it using the message method. If the bot received the number 3 or the string How to Send Files in the message text, it will run the How to Send Files handler function. Inside the function, there is a notification subscription, and in response to the notification.answer, the bot will send ready strings that we have written into the function ourselves. Let's add the /menu command to switch between bot pages. We need to go back to the menu. Let's create a corresponding command as we did with the /start command. Inside the function, let's introduce a send variable sender and a state variable state. This way, we can call the menu from any bot page without changing the state. Otherwise, if we decide to fall inside the page, the state will change, but we can call the menu again with the appropriate command. Let's write this down in code. Now the bot can move between different functional pages and come back again. For this purpose, at the very beginning, we will introduce the states state checker inheritor class, formed from the base states superclass. It is needed to control the bot via numbers. For example, if the bot receives the digit 2 in the main menu, it will show the user how to send messages through the greenapi and send a link to the documentation, which we programmed earlier in the How to Send Message Handler function. This will not change the state of the message. If the bot immediately receives the number 1 after that, it will respond with the About greenapi function. Let's place the class at the beginning of our bot. Let's create a function to select a chat room, private or group, to which we want to send a message. It is created like the previous ones, but now it will also create state and send variables. Next, let's create functions with sub-items for selecting the chat format. After calling the fourth page with the chat format help information, we will change the bot state so that the next incoming message, for example, to the number 2, the bot will send a message about the group chat format, not the second page from the general How to Send a Message menu. Let's run the chatbot again and test all the functionality. Everything works. Now you have learned how to create chatbots with separation into different pages. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to contact our support team.